Whoa. Do you think it's a shovel? No. I'm beginning to like this place. Hello, my friends.
Whoa.
The field of my dream. Oh my gosh, who are there? Maybe they are locals? Alright, I will. Thanks for good advice. 200 years ago, there was a big rich house. If I find gold, I have to share with the locals. Alright, I'm going to look for it. Just look at this field. It's probably intact. Yeah. It's a pleasure to start there. Wow. Wow. The first find is an axe. Its bit is broken, but it looks like it's pretty old. Alright guys, second find is this pretty nice stuff. Wow, I see a cross here. It's maybe some kind of medallion with a cross. Good place. A nice find. Oh wow, yeah. It's a coin, my friends. Wow. Oh, it's a silver. Wow. Yeah.
Oh.
It's a Soviet coin. 15 kopecks of 1925. Wow. Fine condition. Wow. I'm so happy. That's a great start. This signal was not so good, but it was strong. And the coin is right on the surface. What? Ah, yeah. It's 1 kopek. Early USSR, 1928. Huh? Alright, the next signal is much better. It's somewhere here. Where is it? Oh. Ah, yeah. Yes, it's a coin, my friends. It's a coin. Oh, it's bigger. It's a copper coin. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Empire. 1 kopek of 1914. I'm beginning to like this place. As finds have become more frequent, we need to detect more carefully, cause that's the right place. And that's the very old knife. Alright friends, I'm not for nothing still detecting here, cause that's the next find. Oh, it is. Yeah, that's coin. Oh, it's the 2 kopecks of early USSR, 1926. It's not rare coin, but it's not a cork. Alright, I just detected something very small. It's a copper, small copper coin. Oh. What it? Whoa. It's something very old. Oh, it's Nickel the First.
Ого!
Wow. It's a Palushka. Oh my gosh. It's a 1/4 kopic, it's the smallest coin. Wow. I've never found such a coin before. Oh, yeah. The great found Palushka. Maybe you think it's a button? No. It's a part of a horse harness. Do you think it's a shovel? No. It's a camera tripod. Use this tip.
О,
The next find. Do you think it's a coin? No. It's an oil lamp wheel. Works, something like that. So, how do you like the ancient Google tag? Does it look like an ancient fibula? Alright. Do you hear the signal? It's pretty strong, but not very deep. And let's check it out. Oh yes, it's coin. Well, that's an empire. And one copy again of 1894. Alright, here we can see an eagle, two-headed. Oh, it's of 1862. Wow.
класс!
So friends, what do we have in 3 hours of searching? Well, I think that's a pretty good result. What's even more satisfying is that I'm now going up that hill over there. Alright, I'm on that hill. And what I got the next coin. Yeah. Oh, it's a big one. Wow, the 5 kopics. Yeah, it's not very good condition, but it's a 5 kopics. And the next signal, it was very good, but pretty small. What is it now? Now, check it out.
А,
Yeah, it's coin, guys. Okay. Wow. It's an empire. Oh, it's a 1/2 of kopic.
ух!
What a beautiful place. Just like 200 years ago, someone lived here, admiring the sunsets, and now when tractors plow the land, everything is changing. Hi there, treasure hunters. Alright, the next signal was very strong and good. And oh, look at that. Just like right on the surface. Oh, it's a big one. I think it's a Copex. It's 2 Copex, but no, not very good condition. Oh my gosh. What can I do? My backpack got heavier by the evening. Found a weird piece of brass with a hole in it. What is it? And one more fibula. Wow.
Oh.
I wish I'd taken the first one. I'd have a collection now. Look what I found near my backpack. Such a weird stuff. Too bad it's broken. Looks like either a small container or a handle. I don't know. Alright. If I don't find the coin in the next 10 minutes, I'll go to another hill. Yeah. The next find. I got some fragment again. Maybe it's part of a weapon. I don't know. Something weird. Keep going over there. On my way out, I discard this. I have a hunch it's a mine fuse. Most likely World War II. It's heavy. Okay, that's the next field. I'll dig under the moon. It looks like part of the village was on this field, but it hadn't been plowed here. That's a pity. Well, while there is still time, I'll go back to that field. There is sure to be many more finds here. It's not over yet. There are strange sounds coming from this forest. Maybe there is some kind of creature out there. Hear the find in the dark. Actually, it's okay. It's a musket bullet, the kind that was used 200 or 300 years ago. It's gotten so dark, I can't see my car anymore. I should check to see if it's still there. Ooh, I see the cars here. Hey.